Number 1, Enid Blyton. Enid Blyton has written a couple of books, Secret 7, Mallory Towers, Noddy, and The Faraway Tree. I love all of them and my daughter enjoys Enid Blyton. That's why I have a lot of Enid Blytons. Number 2, Roald Dahl. I love Roald Dahl, the way he writes. It's amazing. Number 3, Sudha Murty books. They are very informative. You can really relate it with your real-time life. And I love the way she writes. Number 4 recommendation, Ruskin Bond. I really like the way he writes. Very simple, very easy to understand. And if you are just a beginner, Ruskin Bond is the best choice. My 5th recommendation is this one, Goodnight Stories for Rebel Girls. I really like the inspirational stories. It touches my heart, and the beauty of these kind of books is their one-page story. My 6th recommendation is Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling. I love the way he's written, but it can be preferable for some children. Some might not understand. So I would say that once you are a little avid reader, then you should start, and this should not be your first choice because it might be difficult for you to understand. You can watch movie, you can read this, and it will help you understand things better. My 7th book is Wingless by Paru, Anand. Now, my next recommendation is Charlotte Bear's love for different animals and how beautifully E.W. White has narrated it. Must read. My next recommendation is The Boy Who Swallowed a Nail by Lalita Iyer. I love the way she's used day-to-day life anecdotes and the way she explained. I love comic books, one, because I want children to be more expressive, more creative, more understanding about a particular thing. So I have the Sochu series and the Smile. So that is like very nice. I hope these recommendations are useful and you enjoy reading it with your child. Don't forget to spend 20 minutes of the time with your child to read this book, understand the books, because that's how you're going to make avid readers. And I am going to do a workshop very soon on reading. And if you want to join in, don't forget to write in the comment box, I'm interested, and I will surely send you the link. Till then, take care, stay tuned, happy parenting, and happy reading.